other likings if you wish, if it's not personal, if it's not private, right? Can you just loud enough say that I love to do this? Can I hear one or two sounds from you? Yeah, yeah. Start. Yeah.
I love to do this.
What? Sorry, I'm not hearing you.
I love to live.
Sorry, I'm not hearing. Love. You have to live with happiness?
With happiness.
Okay, fine. Right. Can you appreciate it? Right. Yes, old enough to say that. That's correct. Right. Can you say that you have a long list? What you love to do? You only. Yeah. That's what you love to do. Okay, think about it. Okay, anyhow, I'm not giving the complete, it's not the way. There are few other steps which have to be tested that really I want to do that. He said, I'm immersed in music, I love to. And then just if you ask the second person, you love to sing? No, I want to hear. Right? So, and then hear all the time? No sir, for some time. When I'm free, I want to hear. So that's not the love to do. Right? Given a chance, I'll switch on the music, I'll forget about eating, I'll forget about everything and then relax. Then you are related. Right? There are few introspection exercises which we have to do, but I'm not going to do that. But you can think about it. Given a chance, what you will be doing. Keep those 1, 2, 3 ideas with you, and then that will help you to find out next. So that you have already done what I love to do, you have text to your friends. And then now, the second part, right? You are using smartphone, no? Your phone is smart, and you should also be smart. Your goal should be smart, right? The second thing is, just liking what you like to do is, it will not take you anywhere. You have to know little deeper into it. Say for our friend said, I love to live the life, right? And when I asked very specifically what you want exactly, I want to live happy. Whether I'm here or outside or with friends, I want to be happy. So that is more into that. You may be aware about the SMART principle, right? But quickly just touch that for the people who are not aware. Your goal, what you love, should be very specific. I want to hear music or I want to sing music or I want to play music, whatever it is. So what you want to do, that should be specific and it should be measurable. Measurable means I'm here now, in another 2 months, 3 months or 1 year time, I want to develop this in a particular way. You have to be in a measurable term where others can, and you can see that I am growing or I am stagnating. That it should come in your liking. And achievable is, if you are at this level, you can keep this as a standard. Say for example, somebody is getting 35 marks, I can ask them that I want to achieve gold medal. That is unachievable, right? So the target should be little higher, little ambitious, which makes you little stretch, and then you can catch it. And it should not be too low also. That is called achievable. You have to check that whether my ambition, my goal is achievable, it is sort of too far or little far. Then, if it is too far, take baby steps. So, towards achieving your. And then the realistic part is, you have to be realistic in terms of time frame, in terms of other rules or frame. Let me give you a quick example. I want to become President of America in 2 years' time. Is it possible? Why? Why?
Somebody is already there.
First of all, I am not a citizen, so it's an unrealistic goal. I want to become Prime Minister of India. Is it possible? Will you vote for me? Yes? Oh, thank you. This is the way I get my votes. Right? You don't know that. You all owe to me that you will vote for me when I go for election. Right? Is it possible to become Prime Minister of India in 2 years' time? Why?
Somebody is already there.
Right, okay, great. So, minimum 5 years or 10 years if I say I have to join a party and then you all have to vote for me, all that I have to do that. So, the realistic is in terms of time frame, in terms of the framework, you see that isn't realistic. And finally, it's not like I want to be happy up to what time. or I want to achieve the status, or I want to get this award, when it will keep on going. You said that in 3 years' time I am going to achieve this. Then it is possible whether you are achieving it or not. Are you with me? Yes? Okay, fine. This is how you are liking, or we call it as your wish. Many wishes are there. If you want to make it to next level, you see that the SMART principle is applied there, and then you go by it. Then really you will be moving towards that. And then finally you have to do one more thing. And not, if possible, you can do it now itself. You can do now, or you can note down, and you can do it little later. What you have to do today itself, what you have to do, put the date of 16th September 2020 in the dated 16th September 2020, that is after 5 years. What you want to achieve by having your liking and goal, say for example, in 2020 September, I want to become a director of an institute. That's my ambition. Let's say that. I have to publish today itself, post in FB that I have achieved. Just post it to your friends. Don't say that I want to become. Today, you post it, and even if I give time, you can just post it. You date it, dated 16 September 2020. You say that in 5 years' time, what you want to achieve, you say that I have achieved. If possible, in your home, please do that. It has a lot of meaning for you and for your ambition. You make a collage. You say that some photographs where you are getting the award, or you are becoming a corporate manager, or you reach your dream company, all that, anything. You say that, and then say that I have reached. Date is 2020. What you will get? What you will get? Lot of likings. Next day morning or within 15 minutes. Okay, 1 second. So you will be getting likings. So if I get 100 likes by tomorrow morning, I'll be the happiest person in the world today. Right? Forget about my goal. Right? If I get 100 likings by my friend, I'll be the happiest person. Are you? Yes or no? Yes. Somebody, if you are really well-wishers are there, they'll be asking, hey, what you are doing? Oh, how? Is it your dream? Somebody is asking. Somebody will tell that, oh, is it you are going to become senior position in that company? Oh, someone I know. They will give you a contact. Just see that you are getting some help from your group. And then, what I would say is, sharing your vision has a lot of meaning in it. When you share, you should be a well-wisher. Definitely, if you have 500 contacts, some 100 people or 10 people who are very close to you will keep asking you, hey, what happened to your dream? And what you are doing? They keep asking. That will provoke you again to say that, are you doing what you love to do? And then if not, take some baby steps to reach that. Let me tell you, there are real case studies who have achieved. Of course, not I've started this FB thing recently, right? I have other methods where they keep their 2020 goal, make it a frame, and then keep it in your home, and then keep seeing it, and your friends or relatives come, you see that in 5 years' time I'm going to become like this, or I have a dream of giving this, and then you'll be moving towards that. You don't need to do anything. So that's what the third part comes in, right? You should have a very clear goal. Then the only one person comes to my mind when I say that, let us dream means walk. Dr. Kalam, right? I have to salute him for his way of reaching the people, and for me, he has special thing for me. So based on his idea of dream, then I have developed the model of successful dream. He has told many things, and you may be knowing about dreams. What he told, one thing is dreams transform into thoughts, and thoughts result in action. That's one thing. And another one, very famous, what do you know about dream?
Big dreams.
Dreams is what you see in the sleep, and that is which will not allow you to sleep. That's the real dream. That's why I said, whether someone is giving you money or not, or giving you fame or the position, you love to do that. That is what your dream is. So, we have framed a small how to dream it. So I'm not going to make you to that process, but let me give you a small glimpse of it. Then you can start dreaming from tomorrow onwards inside the class also, no problem, right? Only one thing is, you should be clear about what you want, and then there are 4 ingredients in the dreaming. It should be, right? This is based on lot of analysis. One is what Abdul Kalam talks about the dream. Number 2, you may be familiar, right? Neuro-linguistic programming, how our brain functions. It's a successful study of psychology of the people. So based on that, I devised this dreaming process. Just I will give you a quick glimpse. One is, you have to see that, you have to keep visualizing that you have achieved it already. There is no process I am going to, right? Say for example, I want to get the best trainer award. I have to keep imagining that on this particular day or this I have achieved. There is no other. You want to get the best student award by the end of this year. You keep imagining, dreaming that you have achieved, right? There should not be doubt. The subconscious mind or the NLP says that the moment you doubt it, you will not act on it. On the contrary, you start believing that you have achieved, then it will give the power how to reach. You don't worry whether I am able to reach or not. Nothing. One is, first, you have to dream that I have achieved the status. Number 1. Number 2, you have to see that visually how the situation is. When you become, right, if you say that I want to work in a dream company, you have to see that you are working in that company, how you are dressing, where the situation, you are going to get best employee of the award in that company. You just imagine that going to the stage and then visualize that how they are and how the auditorium, all that you have to keep visualizing. Seeing is one aspect of your dream. Number 2 is, you have to hear the sound which is going to come at that time. The point when you reach your dream, right? So say for example, you are getting an award, what? You will be getting the clap sound, and you are getting, someone is announcing that so and so is going to receive the award. That sound has to come into your dream that, yes, I am achieving that. And third perspective, you have to feel it within yourself. You will be feeling so excited, you will be feeling happy, and that if you bring in, that is the 4th dimension you have to see it. 4 things. 1, you have to start believing that I have achieved it. Number 2, you have to see that colors, combination, entire thing. And then number 3, you have to hear the sound. Number 4, you have to feel it. If all the 4 are there, and then that is the way you can proceed further, right? So I would like you to make a small way